What we have here is a Nortel Millennium payphone, seemingly operated by TELUS, but according to this, it's not. It's operated by a company called Mactel. This model is very popular in the Montreal metropolitan area. I have yet to see another model in the wild. So the regular price for local calls is 50 cents. And, well, unfortunately, Mactel does not support prepaid cards, unfortunately. So to answer the question, can you call a payphone? Well, unfortunately, according to Bell, they don't accept incoming calls. And unfortunately, in Canada, it's really rare to find a payphone that accepts calls. The Millennium phone is connected to a server that, informs about the state of the phone, the incoming calls, and also the state of the coin box, and it will give an alert if we'll send an alert if the coin box gets reached. Now it's time for me to convince you that payphones are still useful in the current cell phone age. There are four main reasons why payphones should be available in very frequented places. First one is anonymous calls. Let's say you have you live in an abusive home and you don't want to use your personal cell phone to call resources because, well, maybe someone in your household is monitoring your cell phone. Then the payphone is the perfect. It's perfect. It's anonymous and, well, it's anonymous. The second reason is for emergency situations. During emergency situations, maybe you won't be in a cell phone network. Well, a phone like this actually works during power outages, although it will have limited functionalities. It is still connected to the network, and you can call emergency services. Another reason to keep phones like this is for areas with bad cell phone reception. It's self-explanatory. And lastly, it's always a good idea to have a last resort when your cell phone runs out of battery. You can always, turn to these. Well, there you have it. This is why I think payphones are so important in this day and age. If you're a fan of old payphones, I recommend you to enjoy them while they're still available. Just call someone for fun once in a while when you have nothing to do, waiting for the bus. And that's it. But also one strange thing I've noticed is that it's not in service, as you can see. It's out of service. So it's really strange. I've never seen this ever happen before. I guess we'll have to see other phones and see if they're still in service. If you're interested, if you want to find the number of a phone, you can just look under the handset. The number's right here. And that's it. Before I end this video, I just want to mention that the Australian telecom company Telstra reduced their payphone service fee to $0 for all calls within Australia. I think this is a really cool move, knowing that nowadays payphones are mostly used during a disaster and by people who require to make anonymous calls. Good job, Telstra!